Hey cruise lovers, ever wondered about the giants of the Carnival fleet? Let me introduce you to their 5 biggest and most impressive ships. Leading the pack is the Carnival Celebration, a massive 183,000-ton vessel that calls Miami its home port. Right behind it is her sister ship, the Mardi Gras, sailing from Port Canaveral with the same impressive stats and the first roller coaster at sea. The Carnival Panorama comes in third, cruising from Long Beach, California, while the Carnival Vista and Horizon round out the top 5, both operating from Miami and offering incredible features like the Sky Ride and IMAX theaters. These floating resorts aren't just big, they're packed with amazing experiences that'll make your vacation unforgettable.